Hi, I'm Margie.
And I'm Chloe.
And we're from Marjielous Creations. And this is mail day. Okay, so I'm part of a Facebook group where we swap yarn back and forth. And it's really funny because the person who sent this box posted a picture of just the side of the box, which I took a screenshot of because I was like, oh my goodness, I want those stickers. Those are so cool. It turns out the box is mine. I'm so excited. Okay. So it's from the name's not on here.
We'll find it.
But we will find it when we get in.
So you're gonna cut it and I'm gonna pull it out?
And we will see what's going on here.
Oh, it's taped down.
Oh, there's stuff on both sides. Well, this is how I work for yarn. Okay, so there's pink ones on this side and red ones on this side.
That's so cool.
That's awesome. Okay, sorry. Total distraction. Like, I love those stickers. Like, I may just, like, cut the box and keep the box just so I can have stickers.
Careful, there might be yarn in here.
There is going to be yarn in here. It's a yarn swap.
Mystery yarn swap. Yeah. I didn't know we'd be getting one.
Yeah.
Well, like, I knew we would be getting one eventually, but I didn't think, like, right now.
Oh my goodness.
Can I pull whatever it is out?
We should have grabbed the blade.
This?
No.
Okay. Hey, can I pull it? Oh, you still haven't cut it yet.
Patience is a virtue, young grasshopper.
I know. I just thought you had opened it already. Don't pull it toward yourself. You might stab yourself. Safety first.
Do not do this at home. Okay, so no, just wait. We've got a letter. Okay.
Wait, can I read it?
Surprise! I'm your pal. Okay.
Oh, it's 2 pages.
Amanda.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thank you so much. I will read this afterwards.
Can I pull the first thing out?
Everything's wrapped. Oh my goodness, everything's wrapped.
So we have a mystery thing that looks like a candy box.
Okay, you open that one.
Probably yarn.
I bet you it's going to be a
Can I rip this? Can I rip this? Yeah.
It's going to be a cake of yarn.
Yep.
Oh, look at that color though. Red heart sparkle roll with it. That is beautiful.
You could make a really pretty, like,
so soft.
You should make a Sweetie Margie out of this.
That's not going to be enough to do it.
Oh, true. Okay, you get to take the next thing out. What is it? Probably more yarn.
Well, that's the whole point of it. It's a yarn swap.
What color do you think it's
going to be? Ooh, it's 2 things coming apart.
Nope, not
oh,
right.
it's a yarn bag! With yarn on it!
The crinkling is so loud.
That is so awesome. And there's more stuff in here.
Open it. What's inside?
Okay, so this is hand sewn. Look at this.
Yeah,
this is awesome.
More gifts. You open that one, I'll open this one.
I look on the inside. It's like bananas.
You're going bananas over this. You open that one, I'll open this one. Probably more yarn.
No, it's socks. It's talking socks. Okay, if you can read this, I'm counting 1, 2, 3. Oh,
you're gonna wear those all the time.
Great. I'm totally gonna wear those.
Okay, and this one is it more socks? It's a shirt. It's a shirt. What does the shirt say? It says, and just like that, I went from yarn hoarding to being prepared.
Oh, that's so awesome. I'm going to put this on right now. Because we totally have so much yarn, and we crafters have been preparing for this
an entire
quarantine.
Wall of yarn and boxes stacked up beside the wall.
Like, oh my goodness, did you totally, like, creep me? Or, like, Facebook stalk me and see what size? It's perfect. That's awesome. Thank you, Amanda.
Okay, wait, can I open this one?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, it's another bag.
It's another bag. It's another matching bag.
It's a bigger bag. It's a purse, and that's a wallet. This is like a miniature yarn bag. Wait, what does it say on the inside? It says, hands off. Wait, what?
Oh, okay, we're not reading that. That's dirty. But that's funny. Oh my goodness, there's so many pockets. Okay, so there's another, I'm gonna hide the dirty saying, but there's like another printing of the yarn ball here. And there's a bunch of different pockets on it. That is beautiful.
And it matches this. At least, I wish it was bananas on the inside, but it's not. What's the last thing? It's box, so probably not. Wait, is it chocolate?
It probably
It's
is.
chocolate, I think. No.
Oh, it's a little notepad, a rainbow pad. Oh, it's a note paper, but it's rainbowy.
And underneath that is an activity paper pad. What is this? Oh, it's just colors.
Oh,
Yay.
nice.
No chocolate. That's okay.
That's okay.
I really like it when we have chocolate
Because I eat it right away.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yay.
Thank you so much. Look at the straps on this.
Yeah, this is amazing. This
You like outdid yourself hand sewing everything. Thank you so much.
There's one pocket, two big, three. Are there more pockets in here? No.
Yeah.
I'm just
I
exploring
sent
this
mine
big-
package to my friend.
Mhm.
And
We don't know if they've gotten it yet, so
yes,
don't
she
think.
did because we've been talking back and forth.
Oh, wait.
So it's good.
Oh,
No,
I
we
saw
got
that,
everything.
I thought there was another one.
All right. Well, thank you so much,
Yay!
Amanda.
This was so much fun.
Yes, I'll read the letter and then I'm going to send you a message on Facebook. Thanks. Thanks for watching.
Like
And
and subscribe. And
You'll see us on the next video.